Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about the roles of women in society in the past. Over the last century, women's roles have changed significantly, but in the past, their roles were much more limited. In the early 20th century, women were primarily responsible for managing the household. Mm, Most women were expected to take care of the children, cook, clean, and manage the daily routines of the families. And the education for women were almost cannot get. In fact, women were often seen as having less value outside of the domestic duties. Additionally, women have few rights compared to men, and they didn't have the right to vote, and their voices were really hard in politics or discussion making. In many societies, women were depending on their husband or fathers. However, despite their limited, women play an essential role in supporting families and communications. They were the backbone of many social structures, even if their contribution were not always acknowledged. As we all know, the roles of women began to change throughout the 20th century, especially with the rise of the women's suffrage movement, and later with women entering the workforce in greater numbers.